Like, I can't pick him up because he's so little.
Oh! Oh! Did he move?
Yeah, he did move. Let me get his tail. I can't get his tail. He's so
I can
tiny.
get him. I can get
Oh, he got it.
Oh, he's right there.
it. Get a cup. You get a towel.
Where is that cup at?
Here.
Oh, he's right there. Don't.
Hang on,
Right here.
Here, Mom.
hang on. Let's look at that.
Let's all torture the little lizard. Bam!
Got him.
Now you have to get a piece of paper.
Mm-hmm.
Right here.
There you go.
Baby one.
What are we gonna do with him?
Eat him.
No! Oh!
Where'd he go? Watch out, Lathan.
I think he's under your foot. Watch out,
I
babe.
caught him. Oh.
Oh!
There you go. Where'd he go?
Yeah, I see his tail.
Oh, that is his tail.
Just hit the thing and he'll run out.
Oh. I'll try.
Here, hang on. No.
No.
There he is.
There he is. Ouch.
See him?
Oh, watch him, Lathan.
Where'd he go?
He's under this pillar.
Oh. I'll pick
Okay,
it up.
ready? Go.
Oh. You forgot the little cricket.
Oh, because we were trying to catch a cricket too?
Yep. It's so tiny. It's tinier than the lizard.